welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing another makeup look, and this time it's going to be the last makeup look for the series of the Zodiac sign makeup looks, which is the Gemini Zodiac sign. So according to the color palette that I've been following all this while, and will be the last video where I'll be following this color palette. Color palette for Gemini is blue, purple and yellow this time. So, and it's all pastel and lighter colors. So I'm actually kind of confused what to do for this makeup look, because they are completely different and completely vibrant colors, and they all are really dominant colors in their own way. So I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing for this makeup look, and I'll try doing a nice makeup look and I'll just go with the flow. So that's what we're going to do in today's video, and let's get started. So for the last time in this series, I'm gonna do my makeup from the starting, and I'm gonna show you how the foundation goes, how the contour goes, how the concealer goes and everything. So I'll be doing my base here itself, on camera itself, so that you can see the whole process throughout. And let's get started. So this is my base and I'm done with it. I'm completed my base and I will start my eye makeup. And I don't think so I'll be doing a simple makeup for this look because it is the last makeup look. So I thought why not do a little bit of a glam makeup look for this zodiac sign. So I'll be doing a glam makeup look and not a simple makeup look. So yeah, let's get started with the eye makeup. So this is the final look, and I think the eyes are really bold this time and they look really nice, and the colors go well. Actually, I thought they wouldn't. So, and also I've put a nude color lipstick so that the eyes pop more than the lips. So yeah, I'll change and I'll be back. So I'm back and I've worn the similar colors dress. It's a blue, purple, yellow, and a white color dress, and I've paired it with a blue shades of blue and white color stroll. So yeah, this is the final look, and I haven't applied anything else other than the eyeshadow because this whole look was really bold and was really popping, so I didn't want to spoil it by adding mascara or liner or kajal or something like that. So I've also applied a gold color kajal kind of thing so that it looks nicer, and again the eyes pop. So this is how the eye makeup looks. And I will attach the pictures in the next clip. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the makeup session of the Gemini Zodiac makeup look. And as I said earlier, this is the last video of the Zodiac sign makeup look series. Also, let me know in the comments below what kind of makeup looks do you want and what colors do you want me to try on. Also, you can give me a few makeup challenges as well so that I can take up those challenges and can show you a makeup look with those type of challenges. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the last makeup look for this series. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.